Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. If you're a gadget geek like me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews. Today, we're checking out some of the hottest tech gadgets on the market right now. Let's get started. First up, we've got the Gadget Name, one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. Let's talk design. The phone feels premium in the hand with its sleek glass finish and minimal bezel design. It's super light, and with insert feature like a 6.7-inch OLED display, the colors really pop. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by the processor name, this phone handles multitasking and gaming like a pro. You're also looking at a battery life estimate, meaning it'll last you all day with heavy use. But the real standout feature? The camera. The megapixel count lens type makes low-light photography impressive with crystal clear detail and vibrant colors. Here are a few shots we took. While the Gadget Name checks a lot of boxes, it's not perfect. One downside is the price. Starting at price, it's definitely on the higher end. Also, no headphone jack, which is becoming the norm, but still something to consider. Next up, we have the Gadget Name wireless earbuds. These are marketed as the ultimate noise-canceling buds, and after testing them out, I have to say, they're pretty impressive. Let's talk sound quality. These pack deep bass and crisp highs, making them perfect for music lovers or anyone who takes calls on the go. With battery life details such as 6 hours per charge, plus a charging case that gives you an extra battery hours, these last through your entire workday. The noise cancellation? Solid. It really does block out background noise, whether you're on a plane or in a busy coffee shop. But here's what I didn't like. After about 2 hours of use, they start to feel a little uncomfortable in the ears. So for extended listening sessions, comfort could be an issue. Finally, we've got the Gadget Name Smartwatch. It's loaded with features like heart rate monitoring, GPS, and highlight unique feature. The display is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and with water resistance level, you can even take it swimming without a worry. One feature I love is the battery saving mode or a specific feature like ECG monitoring. It makes this more than just a fitness tracker. It's almost like having a mini doctor on your wrist. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts or anyone trying to stay on top of their health. However, battery life could be better. While it claims battery duration, for example 2 days on a single charge, I found myself having to recharge it more often, especially when using GPS. That's something to keep in mind. So, which one of these gadgets stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, each of these devices brings something unique to the table, but it really depends on what you're looking for, whether it's cutting-edge photography, immersive sound, or a fitness companion. And if you want to see more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and hands-on tests, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.